Welcome to IFA 2024. Today we'll explore how Hire is leading this revolution, transforming our homes with innovations that redefine excellence, intelligence, elegance and sustainability. Let's explore the standout features that are setting new standards. Starting with Hire's state-of-the-art refrigeration technology, the super cooling drawer is a breakthrough in food preservation. It maintains sub-zero temperatures without crystallization, preserving the cell integrity of fresh meats, enhancing flavour and extending shelf life up to 10 days. The super cooling drawer locks in nutrients and flavour, reducing food waste and saving you money. The ultra-fresh air function in Hire's washing machines enables air inside the drum to be fully replaced within 2 minutes. With the power of air keeping your clothes fresh, preventing bacteria and odours, improving your laundry experience. Imagine refreshing your delicate garments and favourite outfits in just a few minutes, preserving fabric quality and saving on water consumption. In the kitchen, Hire's wireless probe technology and bionic sensing system ensures perfect cooking by providing temperature control for every dish. From baking a perfect loaf of bread to cooking a succulent chicken, cooking becomes effortless and enjoyable, even for beginners. From cutting-edge appliances to smart connectivity, to providing comprehensive smart ecosystem solutions, Hire is leading this transformation, creating solutions that bring excellence, elegance and intelligence to our everyday lives. Hire's commitment to a sustainable lifestyle is evident across their entire product lineup, whether it's the A-class energy-efficient refrigerators, cabinets, washing machines, dishwashers or kitchen appliances. From seamless integration to advanced hygiene features, Hire's focus is on preserving quality, keeping food fresh and clothes in top condition. It's about improving your living experience with thoughtful, elegant solutions. I can't wait to see what the future holds with Hire as we continue